Reboot IT Solutions Townsville offers an affordable service for computer and laptop repairs of all brands and models, including Windows PC and Mac systems. We provide in-store repair service or can come to your home or office and perform premium computer repair services. And all repair jobs done by our professional technicians are covered by 30 days guarantee. With Reboot IT Solutions, get fast turnaround of repairs. Our services include computer upgrades, laptop screen replacement, data recovery, virus removal, keyboard replacement, battery replacement, laptop hinge repair, and more. Brands we repair and service include Dell, Toshiba, Acer, Asus, Lenovo, Microsoft Surface, HP, MSI, Apple, Sony, and many more. In addition, we also sell custom gaming computers and a range of computer parts and accessories. Is your computer running slow and taking hours to normally start up? No more hassles. Our virus removal service will eradicate all the bugs and necessary delays from your device. Call us today on 07 4755 1503 or visit us at www.re-boot.com.au.